Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. For those that are new to my channel, hi, my name is Zia, and in my channel I talk about hair growth ideas, glow up tips, and I recently started doing sit down videos. If that's what you're interested with, please consider subscribing down below. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, as I said before, like in January, I wanted to start a Fenugreek hair growth challenge where we are going to be using Fenugreek religiously for 8 weeks, which is 2 months. I had said that we're going to be doing this challenge from January, I think around January 15th or something, to March 15th, and it's finally time. 2 months done, everything done, like literally. I'm about to show you how the process was in this video, how the growth came in, and what I learned during the usage of the fenugreek seeds. So let's get into it. And there you have it, guys. It's officially 8 weeks of me using Fenugreek, and wow, when I tell you, this challenge is low-key like fun. You get to reconnect with yourself, you get to test how disciplined you are in these routines. Like literally, imagine waking up every morning and you're like, damn, I gotta use Fenugreek, I gotta use Fenugreek. So guys, this is how my routine was. I would soak the Fenugreek. If you want more tea about how to make the Fenugreek and everything about it, go watch my video. I have a video where I explained in depth about everything you need to know about Fenugreek seeds. So I would soak the Fenugreek, and personally, I'm human, so no one's perfect. I would like use the water every 2 days or 1 day per week, depending on how I feel. Another thing that I learned when using the Fenugreek is actually you're not forced to use the water only once. You can actually put it in the jar and store it in the fridge. When you store it in the fridge, it actually lasts longer. That was a personal test I was doing. I didn't mention in my other video, where I would store it in the fridge, open it up next day, use it, then I will refill water with the same seeds that have already absorbed up water. It still works. You can reuse the seeds for like 1 time, I guess. I learned it was 1 time. I tried reusing it more than twice, and oh, when I tell you, I saw molds. So guys, you can only reuse the seeds once. You just add in water, let it soak up for like 1 day, and you can reuse it and you're good to go. That's what I learned about using the Fenugreek water and the seeds itself. Another thing I would say, when it comes to smell, actually surprisingly it doesn't smell that bad. The smell isn't bad, only if you wash your hair weekly. I would wash my hair weekly because it's just braid, so I'll just wash weekly, and yeah, I'm good to go. Because the Fenugreek, it just depends with your usage. Per week, I would say I will apply like twice or thrice, depending on how flexible I am with it, and my hair wouldn't actually smell that bad, really. My hair wouldn't. There was a time I was so caught up, I even didn't wash my hair for like 2 weeks, and the smell wasn't that bad. You feel me? After 2 weeks, obviously there's going to be build up and everything, so that's why I would recommend washing your scalp. So about the smell check, everything was on point with that. When I was using the Fenugreek, I started noticing growth during week 2. During the 2nd week is when I was like seeing growth and everything, and I was like, this is the 2nd week and I'm literally seeing hair growth. So yeah, that's me using Fenugreek. Let me show you guys my hair real quick. It's a mess. It's a mess. My hair is a mess, literally. Imagine looking this way for like 2 months. Yeah, after 1 month my hair was having so much growth. Like, look at that. You see all that? And it's not only one place. My hair grew evenly, like everywhere you touch. Everywhere you touch, you see growth. Look at that. Look at that. So let me measure how long the growth is actually. Yo, this challenge was me testing my patience, literally. So the growth is, ow, there, about, okay, my thing, I cut it, so I'd say about 1.5, around 1.5 inches. My hair grew by 1.5 inches. Like, y'all see that? Hold it up. Yeah, around, I don't know what you see this, 1.5. My measuring thing, my tape measure, I had to trim it, so this is my 1, not my 2. So yeah, 1.5. My hair grew by 1.5 inches in 2 months. Yeah, that wasn't easy, I won't lie. The patience, the consistency of using Fenugreek water, guys, like, yeah, I'm actually excited that this worked out for me, and I hope for those who joined me in the challenge, it's your time to like comment down below. You say your procedure, how was it for you, how was the experience. Remember, I said 2026 is about consistency, and that's what I came up for. I made sure I was consistent on this shit, not slacking off or anything. Yeah, So that was me using Fenugreek for 2 months straight, and I love the results. I love how long my hair grew. I don't even know how long, like if I am to rebraid my hair, I don't know. I just know there's growth here, but I don't know how to say it. But yeah, that was me using Fenugreek for 2 months straight. I really enjoyed this remedy. Will I continue using Fenugreek water? Definitely yes, because it's affordable and it's not compulsory to store it in the fridge. That's another thing, because sometimes electricity and everything, we can have power outages and everything, so it's easy to store, it's convenient, it's available, and yeah, what other reason do you need to know to start using Fenugreek water, guys? Literally, out of all the remedies I've done, aloe vera, the cloves, I think Fenugreek tops it up for me. Really, I really love how fast the growth is. You see the growth after 2 weeks. Starting from 2 weeks, that's when you start seeing growth. And I will continue using Fenugreek as I look for another challenge for us to start doing. And another thing, guys, that I forgot to say when it comes to like managing these braids, because once you do box braids, they get old real fast, and you need to also have a maintenance routine when it comes to like having box braids. For me personally, I would make sure every night before I sleep, I will put on a bonnet on my head. I will sleep with a bonnet, and after every wash day, after washing my braids off, I would normally apply oil on it. And also I will do cornrows so that I can maintain the strength of my box braid strands. Yeah, so that was me using Fenugreek water for 2 months straight. Please consider subscribing down below. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year. I know I'm not that much consistent, but I'm really trying, guys. I am trying. Adulthood is a scam, bro. Adulthood is a scam. So please consider subscribing down below. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for staying with me during this challenge. And for those who are going to comment, I was with you in this challenge, God bless you. Thank you so much for literally listening to what I have to say and doing this with me. You feel me? Yeah, so without further ado, guys, I'll see you all in my next coming videos. And always remember that good things take time and trust the process. Please be kind to yourself this year. Bye.